Hey everybody, I'm in Maui, Hawaii right now. Beautiful, right? So I'm here for a friend's wedding, but I'm also going to do work because I have here on me the Honor V30 Pro. So I'm going to unbox this phone, put my SIM card into it, and then just use it for the next 3 or 4 days here in Hawaii. So first, let's get on with the unboxing. Okay, so this is the China version of the V30 Pro, not the international version. Now even the international version wouldn't have Google Apps in it anyway, but the China version has particularly a lot of Chinese bloatware and just all the extra stuff that comes with a Chinese Android skin. Like, people in China have different tastes from the rest of the global audience of phones, and I'm just not a fan of Chinese Android skins, but it is what it is. So let's peel off the stickers right here. I'm really liking this matte glass finish, which we've seen on the iPhone 11 Pro and the LG G8X and the Oppo Reno 10x zoom. It does not attract fingerprints nearly as easily as a traditional shiny glass back. Oh, and we have here a $200 card voucher for Huawei's or Honor's mobile Play Store. So as I already mentioned, this phone does not run Google services, so Huawei wants you to use its own Huawei mobile services, which is its own app ecosystem. Now it's got some ways to go before it catches up to the Google Play Store, and it may never get there, but if any company has the resources to compete with Google, it may just be Huawei. So we have here a soft jelly case. Okay, it seems to be a pretty snug fit. Yeah, it's a really tight fit. Adds a lot of grip, but I'm not going to use it. I'm just not a fan of jelly cases. So we have here a 40-watt super fast charger, a USB-C cable, and this is a dongle, a USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack dongle. So there are 2 layers of screen protectors on this thing. So there's one with a tab you see here, so this is meant for removal, but there's one more plastic film protector underneath, so you have to be careful not to accidentally remove both at the same time when you get the phone. So we have a side mounted fingerprint sensor right here that doubles as a power button. It works really fast and really accurately, and it's also very clicky, so you press into it to power on and on the phone and also wake the phone. You have a camera bump here, triple camera system. The camera bump is not too bad, so it's a pretty nice, clean looking device. On the bottom you have a speaker grill, USB-C port, and then on the top you have an IR blaster and a couple antenna lines. You have a whole punch display right there with 2 selfie cameras. But anyway, as I said, I'm going to set up the phone and I'll be back later with my hands-on or review.